type of thing at a park before.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit.
That's cool. That is cool.
Babe, it is raining. And she playing and sliding and going, get on the swings and stuff. It's raining, y'all. Y'all see this umbrella on me? Y'all not see this umbrella on me? Y'all, come on, it's raining. We need to go.
An umbrella to cover you. We don't have umbrellas.
Y'all acting like y'all don't see what I see. Y'all acting like y'all don't see what I see.
Act like you got eyes.
It seems like you don't. Let me get over there. Don't get on that wet thing. No, Serene. Hey.
Is it a lot of water in it?
Look at all that water coming out, y'all. She wants to sit on it. Oh my God, this is not my day. Today is not my day.
Oh well.
Mama, sit me down.
No.
Sit me down, Mama.
No, you're not getting on that. It's wet. No, I'm not doing none of that.
Help me.
Okay, I'm gonna set the roof.
So hold the umbrella. It's raining. Y'all don't see the weather?
Yes, we see it. Everybody else sees it.
Y'all don't see the weather? Look, it's wet. Look. Is it just me?
Where's the seatbelt?
Look. Okay, you. That's the only thing you notice. It's the seatbelt. Babe, it's wet.
I know it's
Is
wet.
I'm dreaming right now?
No, you're not dreaming. This
It's
is reality.
wet.
I know it's wet, babe.
What y'all doing?
You know it was wet whenever we got here. It was raining.
I ain't tell her to get on the slide. You encouraging her to get on the slide.
Mama,
Why?
push me. Mommy, push me.
No.
Because,
Get out the slide, babe.
babe, she having fun. She having fun. That's all that matters. Right?
Push me higher.
Right?
Ain't be fun when she can see.
Higher?
Yeah.
I'm a little nervous because it doesn't have the...
Look at it, wiping her eyes and stuff. Look at this. It's trying to tell you to get off of it, Serenity.
No one
Where? I don't see it. I don't see where it says...
You don't see that sign?
No. Do you see it?
It said get off of it. It's raining. Get off of it.
Mommy, push me.
What is going on with y'all? What is wrong with y'all?
You drove here. You drove us here.
Before it rained, Des. I drove here before it rained.
It feels really good, refreshing, especially of how it was earlier today. It was hot.
Oh, I'm about to go, y'all.
Hot.
I'm about to go.
No.
I'm about to go. No. Wait.
No.
Wait.
She don't want you to go.
I'm about to go.
You just stay here.
I can't do this. Wait.
No.
My eardrum.
Here.
It's wet. Okay, can you get off of it first? It's wet.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Get in.
You got no towels.
It's already wet.
No covers.
Everywhere is wet.
You got no hair dryer or nothing. Blow dryer. We got none of that.
No, we didn't bring it because
Don't bring none of that, Serene.
we didn't know it was gonna.
You're gonna be wet the whole time we going. Oh my God! Look at our shorts. Oh gosh. I'm not gonna do this again.
You see the umbrella?
I'm not doing this again. I'm not doing this again. And it's your fault, babe. You
No,
knew
I
it was gonna
just
rain.
I was gonna stay in the.
My phone all
car.
wet.
But I seen a lot of people still out here.
This ain't right. Look at
You
Serene way
can't
down
let
there,
the
y'all.
rain ruin the day.
Oh my gosh, she's
It's
all
just
over the place.
rain.
I already know,
Now, if it
y'all.
was hailing,
But
if it was hailing and stuff like that, then it would be a big deal. What?
where's she looking?
I don't know.
I already know she gonna throw a tantrum when we leave here. I already know. Oh man, this is the worst. It's gonna be the worst, y'all.
Yeah. You're
Okay.
gonna have to pick her up, and I'm
Pick her up.
Yeah, we both gonna
Man,
have to
pick her up. She got legs. She can
whenever
walk.
we leave.
I might pick her up.
You were just over there. Now you.
We ain't going no slides, so it's wet over there now. Sorry.
Wow. I haven't seen this type of thing at a park before.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit.
That's cool. That is cool.
Babe, it is raining. And she playing and sliding and going get on the swings and stuff. It's raining, y'all. Y'all see this umbrella on me? Y'all not see this umbrella on me? Y'all, come on, it's raining.
At least
We
you
need
have
to go.
an umbrella to cover you. We don't have umbrellas.
Y'all acting like y'all don't see what I see. Y'all acting like y'all don't see what I see.
Act like you got eyes.
It seems like you don't.
We performing for you.
Man, you can perform in the cars right now.
That's loud. I think this is a soprano. Yeah, it gets.
Serene.
Watch up!
She almost hit my phone again, y'all. She cracked it last video.
Stop!
Okay.
I guess she
Give
don't
her
want to be
space.
vlogged.
Give her space so she won't
I did
break
give her
it.
space. We like 3 feet apart. I'll get away from her, but she knocked my phone
We
down
like more
again, y'all.
6 feet apart from her.
I don't know if we doing that. See, that's why I'm going to the car. She's doing too much.
All right, let's go on to the next.
Yeah.
Doing way too much.
Oh, guys, I'm gonna go here.
Man, this is oh my gosh. Why are we here? Why are we here? We never
don't
came to the
know.
part when it's raining.
Why are we here?
You tell me, you the one drove us here?
Mama, you pick me up. Mommy, pick me
Reed, why are we here?
up. Because
Why?
we go here.
That,
I want to know.
tell your dad that.
Why? Why are we still here in the first place?
Everybody looking at me like, everybody's looking at me like, y'all know.
I mean, why all us here?
Daddy,
Like, we all don't see the rain?
Daddy, you pick me
Huh?
up. You pick me up.
I'm not picking you up, not
Mama,
today.
you pick.
Man, I'm gonna sit down somewhere, y'all. I'm like really feeling it right now. I'm like really, like I want to just go, but I know if I go, I know she gonna start crying if I start leaving.
Oh, he did.
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to attempt
You
it.
can start over on this side, Lee. Cause he's not gonna collide with you. He's not gonna go.
She needs the whole thing. You can
I
go.
think he's thinking the same.
Ear itching.
Let me go.
Okay, I need to let her go.
Okay, you go first then.
I need to take a shower, y'all. I feel dirty right now. My whole shirt it feel wet. This ain't the day, y'all. It's not the day. I thought it was the day, but it's not the day. I don't know. We'll see.
Go, Adi. Go.
And they just acting like it's not raining right now. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Like they don't see no water on this stuff. Look at this.
Okay, Mom.
Look, it's straight water on here. Look,
You can do it. You
Look.
can.
it's straight water on there.
Yeah, it is. That's too.
She talking about she want to climb on that. Come on, man. It's raining. It's raining.
She's not gonna be able to get a good grip on it.
And she gonna fall.
Yeah, cause it's too much water on it.
I can't sit down. We got to wait then. I can't even. I can't even like sit anywhere, y'all, because everywhere is wet. So I mean, I'm standing up this whole time. I'm tired. Man,
Let's go. Let's go.
I shouldn't got out the car, y'all. I should stay in the car the whole time. I shouldn't even decide to get out the car.
You the one
Man.
that got me out the car.
No, you the one that.
I was telling you that.
Dang,
I was
like,
telling him
dang,
guys
you have to turn the umbrella like that.
that- because I can see you.
Okay, you gotta see me.
This thing is covering
You
your
gotta
whole
see me.
entire body.
You don't gotta see me. Look at this girl.
Just
Come on. Are you serious? You gonna take the umbrella?
you can't hog it like that. This is big enough to cover up both
Sorry,
of
let's
our
go.
heads, not just you.
No.
All right now.
Daddy.
All
Come on here.
No, I'm ready to go home, baby. I'm tired.
I'm not tired. I'm
Of course you're not tired because you got so much energy.
Babe, I'm gonna go to the car. Y'all can be here. I'm going to the car.
No!
Mom, no, Mom's gonna stay with you. What?
No more. No.
She's gonna do this every time, yo. Every time I want to go.
Mama.
I mean, the car literally over there.
Now since you walked the park, you want to leave.
Cause I'm tired, y'all. I've been standing there for 6 hours now. We walked this whole park. We went over there to that swim park, the swimming thing over there. We walked this whole park, which is 10 acres, I think, and maybe more. Walk the whole park, and now we're here walking again inside the park, and it's raining right now.
It's okay.
Like, why?
Yeah, it's still raining. I don't know.
Oh God, I'm tired.
I'm waiting for it to die.
This ain't the right time. This not the right place either to do all this. We should have did this yesterday when the sun was out.
I didn't know.
Now we're doing all this
part.
stuff when it's raining.
Daddy.
I didn't know about it.
Man, I'm gonna be here all day, y'all. See, this is why I'm like, come to the park. Yeah, every time I'm ready to go, she ain't ready to go.
Cab.
Every time, what?
You love coming to the
No, I
park.
don't. No, I don't.
No,
Look,
not
this-
today.
Look, how can this be
Today you
fun?
don't
Look,
like coming
look.
to the park.
How can this be fun? How can this be fun? Look, my shirt is wet. Come on. And I'm ready to eat. And I'm thirsty. What am I supposed to do? Drink some rain?
Serenity, you ready?
I'm thirsty. I'm be dehydrated up here walking around here.
No.
Come on, let's go get some ice cream.
I don't want some ice cream.
Chocolate. McDonald's.
Cookies.
No.
Santa Claus.
No.
That's something.
He's
Goodness.
scary.
This ain't working.
Scary, not the Cookie Monster.
What y'all think I should say, though?
She thought you said Cookie Monster.
What y'all think I should say?
Now she's playing.
I'm trying to think what I can say to make her want to leave the park. I have no idea.
Let's go swimming.
That ain't work.
No, for real.
I'm trying to think.
Let's go get a dog.
Yeah, a puppy.
Yeah, let's go get a puppy.
A puppy right in the corner?
Yeah.
You want a puppy?
The puppy.
Yeah, the puppy.
In the street.
Yeah, I bought it.
No, it's in the car.
No, I gotta go get it, babe.
Yeah.
Dada,
You want a puppy?
You get puppy.
You want a puppy?
Roof.
You get
Roof. It's in the car. You hear it barking? If you get closer to the car, you'll hear it.
Yeah.
You'll hear it barking. Come on.
Well, she don't hear no barking. She'll hear no barking. Y'all, they ain't working, man. What we gotta do?
No.
Oh, I'm gonna do that other rule parents always do, but just walk off. Your kid gonna follow you.
We're gonna go play with the dog.
All right, bye, baby.
We're gonna go play with the dog.
Let's see if that works. Oh, it's working. It's working. I'm finna go.
Hey, come on if you want to play with the dog with us.
It's my dog. It's my dog. I'm finna go play with it. I'm finna go play with the dog. It's my dog.
It's your dog.
Yes, it is. I'm playing with it. I'm finna go get it right now.
No, it's not your dog.
I'm finna go get it right now.
Serenity, if you want to play, you need to speed it on up.
They work. She's coming. She even threw a tantrum.
She got her arms folded.
She got arms folded, yo. We just gonna get this puppy right quick.
You
Hey,
should be excited.
hey, y'all know how to get y'all kids from the park? Tell them it's a puppy. Tell them you bought a puppy, okay?